All right, hi everyone. So thank you for tuning in. I'm currently in South Denley Drive in Dallas, and I'm gonna be heading over to another location here in Denley, Dallas. So this is Denley Drive, Dallas. All right. Go this direction. So this is a side of Dallas that a lot of people probably are not familiar with, but I do hope that you'll have a better idea of another place in Dallas. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, now is the time. I'm going to have you please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on, hit that like button, subscribe, you know, do all of the fancy things that you normally do on a regular YouTube channel, you know, so I can actually build on this platform. And thank you so much to all the subscribers who have been so faithful on my platform here. I do appreciate it. All right, so as I say, I am in Denley Drive in Dallas, and I don't know if this is you probably call this downtown Dallas, yes, or back road. Oh, there's a sheep here, huh? Back road Dallas, yes, but it's one of those places in Dallas. All right, so they're doing a lot of construction. Every now and again you might see one decent house, like, you know, in between some houses that seem like them asking, when am I gonna be refurbished? So yeah. The houses are pretty old around this side. Look at this house on the right. It is so beautiful. That orange one there. But then as you go along, it's like you're just disappointed. I mean, I wonder if these people don't lose them value on them house, because it's like a sandwich between two old buildings. To the left here, you probably really can't see it, but to the right, you have this new development, new building, refurbished. Like somebody just decides, all right, let me just drop a decent house in the community, and them land it right there. So, and then now beside it is something that another person is wondering, you know. But I guess eventually, I guess the goal of this community is to be well, you know, well developed again, because I think years ago this was like a well developed area. So I think that's the goal they're looking for, but it's gonna take time. It's gonna take some time. House on your left looks really nice. So you have two decent houses here. So yeah, but the place country some more. If you wonder if I really Dallas this. So we're gonna be passing on Overton Road in Dallas. Just a little bit so you can see more of what is on the right. So I think this is Overton Road. We're gonna pass over on what is Maywood Avenue, and this is still in Dallas. Fernwood Avenue, Maywood Avenue, Dallas. here on Fernwood Avenue as we speak. The road just lonely, so dark. The trees them just hanging over. Like in some places in Texas here that have been, you know, have all of them trees are hanging over. Which means that somebody not do them job, you know? The councillor, or what you want to call them, MP or, you know, member of parliament. Okay, so we're gonna take a left on East Keast Boulevard. KIEST Boulevard in Dallas. All right. So we're gonna be turning on South Marsalis Avenue. We're gonna make a right on South Marsalis Avenue here. Them, yeah man, good up house on the front line, and then we're gonna turn right onto East Ohio Avenue. Oh, them people had to move out. Can't take it no longer. Yeah. Grill up fences. Well, this is the first me I see the whole of grills them, because where I live, I don't really see anybody have no grills up. Yeah, we really have no grill. And just have the big open land, and everybody just assume say it's okay, you know, you're nobody breaking on nobody's property, so I guess it's okay. All right, but down here is country, no country no more. So we're gonna turn east onto Ohio Avenue, and as I say, we're still in Dallas. So on the left and right, all of these are just houses, and this kind of just reminds me of driving in rural parts or some places, you know, where everything just mixed up in a one. You have the church, you have the bank, everything catch up on the corner. This is the vibes I get driving down here. Oh, I'm supposed to turn right here, so sorry. And then now we reach on Ohio Street. Anyways, people, I'm not going to be able to give you the entire, I'm not going to show you exactly where I'm going because I don't want to invade anybody's privacy, but this is Maryland Avenue. All right, Dallas. Thank you for tuning in, and I will show you my exit journey when I'm going back into Plano. All right, bye.